also on AC21 Job Portability. So IT Pro was on H1B, I-140 was approved, currently in H4, not employed, date became current. Previous employer had provided supplement J, you filed 485, 765, 131. The supplement J says you're not currently employed. That's fine. So question number 1, can I directly join a new employer after 180 days of pending I-485? In my opinion, yes, you can. You will have to file a supplement J, or you should file a supplement J again. But the law says, the way I have said this many times before, the way 180 days is counted is your I-140 is approved and 485 has been pending 180 days. So your I-140 is already approved. After 180 days, you can join any employer with the same or similar job. Can I start searching for a new job even before 180 days? Absolutely. I don't see why not. So you had some questions about final action dates and let's see. As filing date to final action date may take decades for EB3 India, if I join a new employer before 180 days and join another after 180 days, how will USCIS determine that my job change occurred prior to 180 days? Listen, don't get into all that. Bottom line is very simple. You are under oath when you go for the interview. If they ask you a question, you have to answer truthfully. If you don't, you have committed a felony, imprisonable by 5 years, up to 5 years in prison. And in addition to that, you can be permanently barred from entering the United States. So don't get into all that, how they will catch me, none of that is relevant. You are required to tell the truth. Do I have to send USCIS new supplement J? You should. Once you know, this is what I advise to our clients. Once you know that you're going to stay at a job for a year or more, I think you should file a supplement J. It gives you added protection, and there's no limit to how many supplement Js you can file. Okay. What if I need to change my employer after the green card interview but before receiving green card? Listen to the discussion that I did before, just this question. We talked about how soon can I leave after getting the green card. The basic criteria are very similar. You've done the interview, now all of a sudden you're changing jobs. I would want you to talk to your lawyer. I would not want you to take my word for it, because remember, government thinking changes with time too. Sometimes these tertiary type problems are unaddressed by the government, but they can change their position anytime. So as of now, as of today, which is April 1st, 2021, there is nothing definite about changing jobs after the interview but before the green card approval. I would suspect it is, if the job is same or similar, keep some record of it, otherwise you can do it. But have your lawyers follow up the procedures that exist when you actually do this. Okay. You said I have to get this is your question number 6. I have to get supplement J only from the employer with whom I'll be working at the time of green card interview. Can I send new supplement J from each employer? Absolutely. The only thing I recommend, like I said before, is that you should know that you're going to stay at that job. If you have a 3-month project, you know you're not going to stay at that job. No point in filing supplement J. But still, if you think you're close enough to getting your green card, run it by your lawyers. It's important. They should be in the loop and they should help you decide. *5 if you have a follow-up question. *5.